going on, my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, guys, we're going to be doing some pop art. I'm so excited. This is my first time doing it, so I'm about to put this hair back and get ready because I have never did this before. So starting off, we're going to be starting off with moisturizing the face. So we're going to be moisturizing this face with the Estee Lauder, baby. Okay, y'all already know. But what's been going on, boo? How you been? You know, I've been doing really good. Been working, doing a lot of goal setting. It's very important for my boo to be setting them goals, chasing them dreams, doing everything that you got to do. Next, we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to be taking this, and you know how we do. We just slam this right here on the face. I was in the mall the other day and I was looking for another primer. I was like, should I get another primer just to test it out? But man, I love this Fenty primer, okay? It costs a couple dollars, but it's really good on the face, for real. It sticks to that foundation like just... Oh, all right. Okay. Next, we're going to be jumping into the Nars foundation. We ain't even being cute. Like, I'm hype about this look, y'all. Like, we not even being cute. I want a really full coverage today. We doing this pop art. We need a real good coverage. But yes, my boo, I've been chilling, working. My best friend, she came from Louisiana to come see me this weekend. I haven't seen her, so I was so excited to see her and hug on her with her sexy chocolate shell. So next, we're going to be jumping into powder, because you know I like to put a powder over this face. And we're going to be jumping into the e.l.f. matte setting powder, and I'm going to just tap that like really good. So now we're going to be jumping into under eye. So for under eye, you guys already know the e.l.f. Flawless Concealer. This is in the color Deep Cinnamon. You can ball on a budget. But I did buy some new products, so make sure you guys stay tuned for my upcoming videos. And if you are still here, honey, make sure you hit that subscribe button. You might as well. Period, okay? On this channel, we are growing, we are learning, we are thorough, we are real, we keeps it 100. So now I'm going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty, and this one is in the color 350. And this is for my new boos that's just watching me. I'm telling you guys what I'm putting on. I'm going to let that dry down just a little bit. I'm going to be jumping into this contour kit, and this is the True Complexion, and I use medium to dark. I really like this kit because it has like a brown, so if you really want to like bronze and contour, I kind of like this color because you can kind of like do both like that. Okay. And I'm taking this Protect foundation brush and I bring it all the way up like that. I'm blending. But yes, honey, I hope everyone is doing good. And are you enjoying the fall? You know what I'm saying? Because I am enjoying the fall. And then also today is my grandma Reed's birthday. She passed. She was actually my husband's grandmother, and she was actually a really beautiful person. So I just want to say to all the beautiful grandmothers out there, or the beautiful boos that got decent grandmothers, shout out to them, because they make you who you want to be. Okay. Happy birthday, Grandma Reed. So today we're going to be jumping into the Fenty Beauty powder. This is in the color Honey. This is one of my fave powders. This, and also y'all know because I've been using it, my the e.l.f. setting powder in the color Tan. I just need to bake really quick because I'm a creaser. I used to feel some type of way that I was a creaser, but now I don't care. So now we're going to be jumping into contour. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to be jumping into this e.l.f. powder. Blend it just like this. But I'm going to jump right back into that contour stick and just press this on the side. All right, now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into drawing on the face. So I bought these two color wheels from Amazon, so I'm definitely going to be using these. First thing that I'm going to be taking is this black, and I'm gonna draw my eyebrows in. All right, so now since we have that down, I'm going to take some dark powder just like this, and I'm gonna just put it in my crease. All right, so we're gonna jump right back into that black. Now, since we have that down, take some lines and we're gonna draw them on our eyelids. So for under eye, we're going to be taking that same stuff and we're going to be putting it on the under eye. All right, so now I'm going to take some mascara, put this on just like that, thicken up them lashes. So now since I have the eye top part down, I'm about to jump on my lashes and then we won't continue. Okay, so now we got the eyelashes down. I put some bottom extravagant lashes, you know, trying to give it my own little feel. So we're going to be taking some of that black color wheel like we did before. Now I'm going to draw some lines on my face. So now we're going to take some white and we're just going to enhance that just a little. This looks so freaking cute. And now I'm going to outline the outer part of my lip. So now since I have that down, I'm going to jump into this Lime Crime. This is a True Love. Okay, so now since we have that down, I wanted to be a little bit extra with the wing liner. And I'm going to take this NYX and I'm going to take this black glitter and I'm just going to really quick put that on my wing liner just to give it a little more glow. You feel what I'm saying? Highlight those really nice areas. And we're also going to take a little bit of this funky and we're going to do some blush. Just like that. And now we're going to spray this face to set this face. I'm loving this look. I'm loving the way it came out and it wasn't that hard. So if you really feeling this look and if you loving this look, don't forget to hit that like button and also leave me a comment down below, boo. Also, if you made it this far to the video, you might as well subscribe. And also hit that notification bell button too, boo, because you do not want to miss my upcoming video. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Keep God first. And I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah. Peace.